Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Passat cabin filter. First, gather your tools, a T20 Torx screwdriver and a new cabin air filter. Having the right filter is crucial, so double-check its compatibility with your Passat model. This straightforward process is vital for maintaining good air quality inside your vehicle, making your drives much more pleasant and healthy for everyone. Next, open the passenger side door and locate the glove box. You will see 3 T20 Torx screws along the bottom edge of the glove box panel. Carefully remove these screws. Once they are out, gently pull down the entire lower panel. This action will expose the cabin filter housing cover, which is typically a rectangular plastic piece, making it easy to identify for the next step. Now, with the housing exposed, unclip the 2 retaining tabs on the filter housing cover. Once unclipped, remove the cover completely. You can then carefully slide out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Notice its orientation and the direction of the airflow arrow. When inserting the new filter, make sure its airflow arrow points towards the rear of the car, ensuring proper air circulation. Finally, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring the clip snaps securely into place. Then, carefully push the lower glove box panel back up and reinsert the 3 T20 Torx screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently. You've successfully replaced your cabin filter. Enjoy cleaner, fresher air and improved performance from your car's heating and air conditioning system. And for more great tips on managing your finances, check out the link in the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.